Last year, we created the Revopoint POP3D scanner, and when we showed it on Kickstarter, you liked it. We had more than 10,000 supporters all over the world. We're back, and now it's time to upgrade your scanning experience. This is Revopoint POP2 3D scanner. We're using a new generation of microstructured light technology sensors. The hardware has been optimized and the scanning accuracy is now up to 0.1 millimeters. The POP2 3D scanner supports shape, marker point, and color feature alignment. With intelligent automatic alignment and data collection, you can map the surface with accuracy and precision to create high-quality digital models. Revopoint POP2 is super portable. It is designed with quick-release docking and detachable accessories. It supports USB charging and data transfer. We have brand new accessories including lightweight turntable. Just one click and it will start scanning automatically. The Revopoint POP2 scans at 10 frames per second, measuring 3 million data points. The internal processing takes this high-speed, accurate data and outputs directly to your smartphone or computer. We upgraded the Revopoint POP2 with infrared light scanning technology, which enables scanning while protecting your eyes and displays the scanning data in real time to 0.1 millimeter accuracy. You can scan anything to make your designs. By connecting a 3D printer, your imagination will become reality. This new technology also allows you to scan a perfect 3D model of animals without scaring them away. Revopoint POP2 only weighs 195 grams. You can easily use it for a long time without getting tired, and you can take it anywhere you want to go. Revopoint POP2 can detect the material and color of the scanned object automatically. The high-fidelity color capabilities record the high level of accuracy and detail of the scanned object. The Revopoint POP2 3D scanner really is the best choice for designers. You can use it to create your own piece of artwork without limitations. It is widely used in many industries and can even be used with VR to create your worlds and characters. Revopoint POP provides industrial-level high-quality scanning technology at an affordable price. Bringing everyone's imagination to reality. Revopoint POP2, a perfect tool for creative designers.